Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to launch your application into your virtual device. Let's see it. You can go to the device manager. After that, click on the start button. When you click it, you have to wait until your emulator will running. You have to wait for connecting to the emulator. And you can maximize and minimize from this. At the previous lecture, we increased the RAM and graphic of our emulator. For this reason, now our emulator needs for restarting. For this, we have to wait. I think it's ready. Yes. You can launch your application into your virtual device in here. You can click it and you have to wait. Gradle is finished. Installed successfully. This is our application. Let's change Hello World into something else. You can change the Hello World, and here also text you can change, and also you can change the text from here XML. And now I want to change here hello from Android Studio. Now let's see the application. You have to wait until it launched on our virtual device. Yes. Thanks for your attention, guys. At the next video we will see each other. Thanks for your attention, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.